Good morning. Sridhar, are you able to hear me?
Yes, Naveen.
It's fine, right?
Yeah, fine.
Thank you. We'll start in another 5 minutes.
Okay.
Sure. Thank you. I think the last. Good morning, all. Hope you are able to hear me.
Yes.
Okay, able to see the screen?
Yes, Naveen.
Thanks for the confirmation. Okay, just waiting. Okay, we'll start. Meanwhile, people will join. Okay. So we have completed yesterday APAR document types. Like we have completed defined document types for entry view and as well as an entry view in a ledger and defined document types for general ledger view. And today we are going to discuss about defined document number ranges for entry view. If I'm not wrong, right? Fourth step. How many steps we have completed yesterday?
In general view, general ledger view.
What was that complete?
Define document type for general ledger view. Third point.
3 points, right?
Yeah.
So write down fourth point. Define document number ranges for entry view. Define document number ranges for entry view. Write down the path. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting, financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings new, financial accounting global settings new, document, document number ranges, documents in entry view, define document number ranges. Define document number ranges. Okay. So let me start. Able to see the screen, right, everyone? SPRO,
Yes.
SAP reference IMG, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting new, financial accounting new. Next one, financial accounting global settings new. Fine. Next one here, we need to select document. Next one, document.
Document number ranges.
Document number ranges. Document. Entry view. Correct. So if you see, we don't have any transaction code for this. As I said that it's a newly introduced one. Okay, for this one, copy to company code or anything. So general ledger view, we will not have any transaction codes, but here in entry view, documents in entry view, same, right? So you can say whatever it is there, FB N1. Okay. FB N1. FB N1. So next, write it down. Okay. So what is our company code?
UT01.
UT01. Give company code here. UT01. And click on intervals. Change intervals. Click on okay. General ledger view. Right down. Click on general ledger view. Okay. Give you a company code UT01. And next, plus insert line. 4 times, or I'll put it as in 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what I'll do? The same thing, 19, 20, 23. Same, whatever we have defined yesterday, same 19 lakhs. One, two, three, four. Sorry, I'm sorry. Still, how many we required? Still, how many we need to do?
Up to 12.
Up to 12, perfect. So how many lines we need to insert?
Remaining 2.
Remaining 2. 1. So 17, 16, 18. 18, right? What we have done up to 15. So 13 we need to do. 13, 12, 2023, 2023. Just write it down. So yeah, write it down from here. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Just write it down. Once you're done, let me know.
Naveen, in 18th column should be 18 lakhs.
Okay, right. Is that fine?
Yeah, no, fine.
Just write it down. Once you're done, let me know.
Done, Naveen.
Done. Then click on save button. So ignore this because no transport request will be generated. The changes were saved. Next one. Copy to company code. Next step. Write down next step. Copy to company code. Path same as above. Path same as above. Till documents in entry view. Till documents in entry view. And from there select. And from there select. Copy to company code. Copy to company code. Transaction code OBH1. Transaction code OBH1. Okay, so press back button from here. Press back button from here. So again, press back button. So you can see here, copy to company code. Copy to company code. So transaction code OBH1. OBH1. So we did the same thing in GL module. Now again, we are repeating here. Okay, so click on OBH2. Okay, fiscal year 2023. Fiscal year 2023. What is our company code? UT01. And we need to copy to all the company code UT02. Our company codes are UT02 and UU01. UU01. Write down this. Copy to means whatever number ranges we have created, that will be copied to other company codes also. Instead of creating UT from source company code is UT01 and target company codes are UT02 and UU01. Just write it down. Okay. So once click on execute, it will show a message. Once you click on execute, it will show a message. See, you have changed its settings. Do you want real? Do you want to do you really want to do this? Click on yes button. So you can see here. It is copied from UT01 to UT02. UT02. Here you can see already exists is nothing but old one. So here we have added 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Intervals are added for company code UT02 and as well as UU01. Clear? In the GL module, we have added that 01, 02, 98, and 99. Whether you remember it or not. Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay. So click on next one. Next step, write it down. Copy to fiscal year. Any questions still here?
No.
Right. Next one. Copy to fiscal year. Copy to fiscal year. Path same as above. Path same as above. Till documents in entry view. Path same as above till documents in entry view. From there select. From there, select copy to fiscal year. Copy to fiscal year. Transaction code OBH2. Transaction code OBH2. Okay. Copy to fiscal year, path same as above. Till documents in entry view. From there, select copy to fiscal year and transaction code OBH2. Okay. So in the same way, how we copied copy to company code, in the same way, we are going to copy fiscal year also. So click on execute. It will show a message. Okay, just ignore this. Okay, company code. Okay, so company code we will give here LI01. Sorry. UT01. So fiscal year 2022. 2023. Okay, or you can make this as an 2023 current fiscal year to target fiscal year. Just I'm checking. So 2024 number ranges. First, I'll give company code. What are the company codes? UT02, UU01. So write it down. And we need to give number ranges also here. So company codes UT01, UT02, and UU01. Click on execute. And here we need to copy from number range keys from 12 to 19. Just write it down. Okay. So whatever number ranges we have created in 2023, the same I need to copy to 2024, next fiscal year. Write it down. Okay. Any questions still here?
No.
Click on execute button. Click on execute button. It will show a message. You are changing your settings. Confirm. So click on yes to confirm. Click on yes to confirm. So it will show the number ranges will be copied for all three company codes to 2024. Clear? UU01, UU02, UT02 and UT01. Any questions to you? So next step, write down. Next step, define document number. We have done with entry view. Okay. So here, define document number ranges for general ledger view. So this is a new step. Define document number ranges for general ledger view. So write down path, same as above. Path, same as above. Till document number ranges. Till document number ranges. Till document number ranges. From there, select. From there, select documents in general ledger view. Documents in general ledger view. From there, select define document number ranges. Define document number ranges for general ledger view. Define document number ranges for general ledger view. Define document number ranges for general ledger view. Okay. define document number range, and we don't have any transaction code for this. Clear? Because as I said, as I mentioned, it's a new one. New GL, when new GL was activated in SAP, this particular GL transaction was activated. So here, click on execute. Okay. Next, give your company code UT01 and click on change intervals. Press change intervals, sorry, company code. Press change intervals. Okay. So here also we need to press 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 2023, 12 lakhs, 1299, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. This is not required. Okay. 2023. Okay, we have one more 19 also, right? I forgot. So we can use this. I'll insert one more. You can see 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Just write it down. And let me know once you're done.
Done.
Okay. Next one, write down. Next step, click on save button. Next step, copy to company code. So before that, we need to click on save button. So it will show a message. Just ignore this. Okay. Next one, press back button. Copy to company code. Path, same as above. Path, same as above. Till documents in general ledger view. Till documents in general ledger view. From there, select copy to company code. From there, select copy to company code. Transaction code OBH1. Transaction code OBH1. So same thing, whatever previous steps we have done for entry view, the same thing we are going to do in general ledger view also. Transaction code OBH1. So here, click on IMG activity. Number ranges same. 12 to
Naveen, what is the transaction code OB?
H1
Same, right? Okay.
2023. Source company code UT01. And next one, company code UT02 and UU01. Just write it down. Okay. So 12 to 19, we are copying from 2020. Sorry, UT01 company we have created, and we need to copy to UT02 and UU01. So click on OK button and click on execute. So it will show a message, say yes to continue. Yes to continue. That's it. Intervals are added for all UT02 company code and UU01 company, 12 to 19. Next one. Copy to fiscal year. Next step. Copy to fiscal year. Path same as above. Path same as above. Till documents in general ledger view. From there, select copy to fiscal year. From there, select copy to fiscal year. Transaction code OBH2. Transaction code OBH2. See here, OBH2. Okay, so OBH2, just write it down. Click on OBH2. Copy to fiscal year. So what is my company codes? UT01. Number ranges 12 to 19. Next one, fiscal year, source fiscal year is 2023 to 2024. And for all the three company codes, UT02, UU01. Just write it down. Just write it. Done?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Click on OK button. Click on OK button. Sometimes the mouse pointer is. Okay. Click on execute. So say yes to confirm. So that's it about number ranges. Next. So next we need to maintain payment terms and just write on heading. So here we have done till this particular part. So payment terms we need to, but before that, we need to do GL accounts we need to create. So write down, put a heading as it, create reconciliation and other, create reconciliation and other required ledger accounts. So what do you mean by reconciliation accounts? What do you mean by reconciliation accounts?
So with this we will do the reconciliation.
I'm asking what is reconciliation account? You are saying with this we will do reconciliation.
Yeah.
First of all, I should know what do you mean by reconciliation account. Then only I can do reconciliation, right?
Reconciliation is nothing but comparison of two.
I'm not asking of reconciliation. I am asking what is the need of reconciliation account here?
Checking our books of company accounts with the vendor accounts. What is the balance we need to pay to vendor?
No. See, I'll tell you what is reconciliation account. In FI, we have a base module is GL module, and AP, AR, asset accounting, bank accounting, taxation accounting are the submodules, correct? Yes,
Yes.
or no?
Which is
Yes.
a base model?
Yes.
GL is the base model.
Sorry,
You mean GL is the base model?
I said the same, I believe.
Yeah.
Yes, GL is the base model and all the submodules.
Yeah. Okay.
I said the same, I believe.
No, some disturbance was happened. No problem.
I said GL is the basic module, base module, right?
All are
And
submodules.
AP, AR, asset accounting, bank accounting, taxation, all are submodules. Even GL is also submodule, but that is a basic module. Clear? So here, till now, did we made any link between GL module we have already completed, right? But did we made, now we are doing accounts payable and accounts receivable modules, right? Did we made any link between AP AR module with the GL module? See how the data flows here, right? How the data flows here in the sense, see here, I'll tell you. How the data flows here, as I said. The long back also I have explained this. See here. Normally our module is FI module, right? And as I said that base module, we have AP, okay, GL, AR. So how the data flows? How the data flows? The data in GL, which will flow to FI, and AP data will flow to GL first, okay, and AR data will go to GL module, right? And from that APAR data will be first go to GL, and from there it will go to FI. FI is nothing but preparation of your financial reports and whatever we call, right? But here, how the data flows between AP to GL and AR to GL. How the data will flow?
With the reconciliation accounts.
What do you mean by reconciliation accounts?
So the reconciliation accounts which we have created.
Did we created any reconciliation accounts?
No, we will be going to create.
What is reconciliation account?
So it acts as a bridge between GL to AP. I mean,
Those
between
are
PL and
called
AP.
as a integration accounts.
Yes, integration accounts.
Integration here, nothing but 100% guaranteed interview question. What do you mean by a reconciliation account? Don't say that with the accounts which we do the reconciliation. It's a blunder. What is a reconciliation account? In the intermediate degree also we have done the reconciliation, bank reconciliation. How we are going to act, the passbook and the cash book, how it's going to be reconciled. Unless until you won't receive the bank statement, is it possible to do? Right? In any ERP module also, what do you mean by a reconciliation account? Reconciliation account is nothing but which is nothing but an integrated account, which integrates AP module with the GL module, AR module with the GL module, and from there the data will flow from AP to GL, AR to GL, and after integration it will flow to FI. Is this clear? So simple. What do you mean by reconciliation account? Reconciliation accounts are those accounts which integrates one module to another module. Is that clear?
Yes, yes. It integrates AP model to GL model and AR model to GL model, and from there it will go to FI.
Yes. Is this clear?
Yes.
So that is called a yes or no. Please rest.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Any other questions? Because again, if we come back, in the sense we won't come back to here. That's the reason I'm stressing out. How about others? Is that fine? What do you mean by reconciliation? 100% guaranteed into the question. I'm
Yes, clear, Naveen.
guaranteeing you. Okay, so we need to create the reconciliation account. So what are the reconciliation accounts we need to create? So just write it down first, then next we will create it. Trade payables are nothing but your accounts payable. Earlier we used to call it as an accounts payable. Now we are going to call sundry creditors. We are calling now as an trade payables as per new GL accounting. We are no more calling them as in sundry creditors or vendors, right? We are going to calling it as in trade payables and trade receivables. So write down this. First one, we have a different types of vendors, right? Domestic groups we have created, right? Foreign vendors, intercompany service, right? Same way you can create here. Trade payables domestic. We need to create these GL accounts. Write down this. After creation of these ledgers only, we can create payment terms. Quick, and let me know once you're done.
Sure, Naveen.
So Sunil, are you there, Sunil? Sunil, are you able to hear me? Sunil Mohtala. I'm not able to hear you, Sunil. No. Anyone able to hear him?
No, no.
No. Yeah, once your mic is fine, then please let me know. Done, everyone? Quick. Can I go ahead?
Yes.
Naveen, yes,
Yes, Naveen.
Thank you. So we need to create where we will create the GL accounts.
FS00.
FS00. FS00. FS00. Okay. So we need to create different GL accounts as I said. So company code UT01. So I'll create first one. So first of all, what are the GL accounts? I'll create 1,50,000. 1,50,000. 40/1,50,000. So click on create button. Okay, account grade, trade payables, liability. So trade payables. Trade payables. Right? Is it a P&L account item or a balance sheet?
balance sheet.
Balance sheet. Okay, so select balance sheet. So I'll create text, trade payables, domestic, payables, domestic. So we have created an account we are going to create. So it's a liability series we have defined as in 1 lakh. Okay, so 1,50,000. We are creating trade payables account. Earlier it was used to create as in sundry creditors. Now we are no more calling them as a sundry creditors. We are creating as a trade payables. It's a balance sheet item and trade payables domestic. So write it down. Okay, next click on control data. Click on control data. So here, reconciliation account type. This is very important. So vendors. Next for line item display. And sort key 012. Vendor number. 012 is nothing but vendor number. So write down as it is. So here we need to select the reconciliation account. INR. So it will become 1,50,000 will become a reconciliation account. Trade payables. So 012 vendor account. Write it down. Account currency, INR, reconciliation account vendor 012.
So what is 012, Naveen?
So you can see, right, vendor number.
Okay, okay.
We have discussed, right, what is the line item display.
Yeah,
See,
yeah. Got it.
vendor. Next one, create bank interest tab. So L0 reconciliation accounts will be L067. 67. Ultra reconciliation accounts. This is very important. Ledger, all reconciliation accounts, we are going to select 67. Understood? So to here we are making reconciliation account of vendor, and here we are selecting create bank interest. We are selecting field status group as in 67. So write it down and click on save button. Click on save button. Next one. 1,50,000, 100. 1,50,000. 50, 100. I would like to copy same with the template. 1,50,000, 1, 2, 3. Company code, source company code. UT01. UT01. So all the attributes will be get copied. All the attributes will be get copied. So here you can change it to trade payables. Import. Just change the description. That's it. Long text. Okay. So click on save button. Now same thing. We are going to create 1,50,200. 50,200. Okay. With the template. So same 1,50,000 UT01. Copy. And click on OK button. Click on OK button. Trade payable service. Services. So we are just copying it. Okay. So just write it down as it is. Then next click on save button. Then click on save button. 1,50,300. 1,50,300. 1,50,300. Okay, with the template. With the template, copies the same GL account. 1,50,000. 1,50,000. Company code UT01. So we have created. Okay. Intercompany. 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 Click on save button. Intercompany. Data saved. Any questions still here? Yes, no.
No.
Similarly,
So did we create a domestic one?
sorry,
Domestic.
we have already first one, we have created domestic only, right?
Okay. This, yeah. Fine.
From there only we have copied.
Yes, got it.
Next one, same. It is applicable for receivables also. So I'll create same company code. So receivables are nothing but an asset. Asset series we have defined from 2 lakhs. So I'll take 2,50,000. 2,50,000. Create. So here I'll select trade receivables. Trade receivables.
The tax receivables, that is.
Yeah. Trade receivables. Okay, balance sheet item. Balance sheet item. Same. Trade receivables domestic. Domestic. Write it down. Okay. So click on control data. Same, whatever we did. So here, reconciliation account, we need to select customers. Customers, line item display. Short key for customers 31031. If you don't remember, because we have done already the session, customer number 31031. So currency, automatical company code currency, reconciliation account customers, and line item display, select line item display, and reconciliation account as 31. Short key is 31. Okay, next one. Click on create bank interest. Click on create bank interest tab. So what we are going to select here? What is my field status code?
0
60.
U0 67.
Yes. U0. For all the reconciliation accounts, we need to select U067. Normally 67, 067. In general, we will have a G067. Okay. Just write it down. Ultra reconciliation accounts. So click on save button. So in the same way, we need to create 5100. Write it down. 1,50,100. Okay, with the template. So 2,50,000. So click on OK button. Click on OK button. So we are copying with 2,50,000 from 2,50,000. Okay, so same trade receivables. And here it is. Export. Over there we selected import. Here it is export. Exports. Write it down. Description. Trade receivables exports. Okay, control data. Click on control data. Customers, same 037. So we need not to do any changes here. So click on save button. So one more reconciliation account, 5,200. Okay, with the template. With the template, same account, copy from 2,50,000. Type description, service. 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 Write it down. Okay. Click on save button. So one more. 300. Okay, with the template. Same copy. Intercompany. Intercompany. So here you can call it as a just write it down. Click on save. Any questions still here?
No.
Yes, no. So we can see what are the ledgers we have created. So we have created 1,50,000, 51. Clear? So next one, we need to create other incomes, discount received account. So I'll create here as in 3,20,000, 30 already created. So 240, 440 I'll create UT01. So click on this one. Other incomes. It's a P&L account item. It's a financial department item, short text. Discount received account. Just write it down. Discount received account. So here we have discount allowed and discount received. Discount received account. Click on control data. Click only balance in local currency. Do we select reconciliation for this? It's not a vendor, right?
No.
Sort key, posting date, 001. Sort key, posting date. So only balance in local currency, line item display, sort key. Next, click on create bank interest tab. Click on create bank interest tab. Next, write it down. Click on create bank interest tab. What is the field status group we will select for expenses? Sorry, it's a revenue incomes. What is the field status group we will select?
2067. It's a reconciliation account.
Boss, this is an income account.
No.
It's not a reconciliation account, right? Just now I said.
Okay.
So what is the field status group we need to select?
Can you drop down, Naveen, please?
Why I will drop down? You need to remember, right? This we will create at the time of implementation. If I do drop down, second class student also will say this.
Everything I cannot remember. Right?
What is the field? So we have done n number of GL accounts, right? On expenses and revenues. Yes. This is how it will show your practice. It's a 029. G029, or if your company code U029 for all the revenues. Revenue accounts. This is a basic thing. We have done almost all, nearly 15 GL accounts we have created on revenues and expenditures. Okay, just write it down. Field status group U029. Click on save button. Click on save button. Next one. Now we need to create discount allowed account, right? Which series we have given for expenses? Which series we have given for expenses?
I mean,
4 series.
4 series.
UT01 company code. So here we need to discount allowed, right? Financial expenses. Financial expenses. So P&L account item. Finance. Next one. Discount. Allowed account. Discount. Allowed account. Just write it down. Okay, click on control data. Select only by, is it a reconciliation account?
No.
So here, line item display, sort key posting date 001 and click on create bank interest tab. It's an expenditure. What is the field status group for this? What is the field status group?
G014.
Z0
14.
14.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. Cost accounts.
It's a 4, not 14.
Yes. Yes. 4. Sorry. Cost accounts.
Okay. Click on save. Okay. Next one. We'll
So
create.
Naveen, I have one question. In the starting, you said that reconciliation accounts to create, and you mentioned as trade payable, trade receivable, discount allowed, discount received here. But when we are creating the GL account, we are not taking the reconciliation account.
Did we not select the trade payables into domestic trade payables, import trade payables, intercompany trade payables? Those are the reconciliation accounts, right?
Yes.
Did we have not selected the reconciliation part
So
over
we
there?
have selected, but if you go to your notes Word document, once. So it's point number 10, create reconciliation and other required ledger accounts.
Other required, I said, right? Till here, these are the reconciliation.
Reconciliation. Okay,
I have selected reconciliations there, right?
we got it. So I have thought that all these are reconciliation accounts still here.
See, clearly I
Okay.
mentioned here other required ledgers.
Okay. Got it.
So I'll create 4,50,000. That's the reason I have given the list also. Prior to that only, I have given the list because you will get confused. $4,50,000 and with the template, I'll copy from 4,40,000. Just write it down 4,50,000 payment difference account we are going to create. It is also an expenditure. Click on OK. Payment difference. This is very important account. Write it down. Payment difference account. Okay, next click on save button. Next one, we will create one more. Rounding of difference. So rounding off difference with the template.
I mean, you copied from discount discount.
Yes, we have copied from 4 lakhs 40 for
4 lakhs 40.
you are able to see this, right? Reference
Is-
account.
That is discount allowed.
Yes. Next one, rounding of account. Write it down. Rounding of account. Last account. Bank charges.
Just a minute. We are writing 1 minute.
Yeah, write it down.
This also copied from
Yes,
discount allowed.
correct.
Okay, done.
Next one. $60. Next one, we will create one more bank charges. $70. Click on 70 with the template. Same with the template. We are copying from the same bank charges account. Write it down. Bank charges account.
Done.
Okay. And one more thing, remember. So except bank charges in other ledgers. See what are there? Except bank charges, payment difference account, rounding of account. Clear? Okay. Bank charges, just accept bank charges. These need to be post automatically. Discount allowed, discount received. These all 4 accounts need to be populate, or wherever the difference appears, then automatically this particular accounts need to be activated, except bank charges. So we have not done this particular step. Okay. So for example, I'll show you that also. How we need to 4 lakhs 40,040. Okay. Discount allowed account. Change. In control data, we have. Okay. Create in bank interest tab. We have post automatically. So we won't enter these GLs automatically. It will be reflect wherever difference appears. Like zero balance ledger account, what we saw. You remember that zero balance ledger accounts?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So even though we have not selected the post automatically from discount allowed, received, payment difference, and round off, it will automatically trigger.
Yes. So we need to mention here post automatically for those 4 accounts.
While creating, we need to select this, or
While creating only.
okay. So now we are checking.
Just I want to show you, or else I would have selected automatically prior only.
Okay, okay. So when in the real time, when we are creating, we need to check post automatically. But this
Up to you how you are managing. If you, what is the difference it make if I after creation, if I change it, or if I at the time of creation, what does it make a difference? Did I posted any entry right now?
It will not make any difference.
Then that's what I would
Until you-
like to show you, because you will forget tentatively. So that's the reason I'm just reminding you. After creation of all the required accounts, I want to show you, except the bank charges account, we need to select all the 4 accounts post automatically. So that's the reason after creation I'm showing for your understanding purpose. So in
Got it.
real time, if you at the time of creation also, if you are selecting, or after, if you forgot and after that you acknowledge that we missed it, then you can select after by selecting edit option. Rashekar,
Got it, I mean, got it.
no, you didn't get it. If you get it, then let me know.
No, sure, got it, I got it. I got it.
Save button. So just ignore this. Next one, 4050. 4050 payment difference account. Wherever the payment difference is there, this particular account has to be. So click on change. So select post automatically. Okay. Okay. Next 160. Rounding of difference. So what are the other account we need to pick post automatically? See other income accounts also. So we have created income accounts 3,240,000.
Discount
Okay.
received.
Yeah, discount received post automatically. Just write it down. So we have done. See here, discount allowed, discount received, payment difference account, rounding off. Only these accounts we need to make post automatically. And bank charges, we need to update. This bank charges is an expenditure. Any questions still here?
No, no.
Yeah. How about others?
Yeah, fine.
Next one. Define payment terms. Next topic. Define payment terms or maintain terms of payment. Maintain terms of payment. Right on the path. SPRO. SPRO. SAP reference IMG. Financial accounting new. Accounts receivables and accounts payables. Business transactions. Incoming invoices or credit memo. Incoming invoices or credit memo. Next one, terms of payment. Terms of payment. Transaction code OBB8. Transaction code OBB8. OBB8. So write down
OBB9.
OBB8.
It was mentioned as 8, 9.
8 only, right?
We are mentioned OBB9 in your notebook.
Which notebook?
Your point number 12.
Point number?
Okay, I'm sorry.
We are doing 11, not 12.
Okay, I'm searching point number 12. Okay. Okay, now comes me.
Yeah.
Page.
SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Financial accounting new. Accounts receivables and accounts payables. Accounts receivables and accounts payables. Business transactions. Business transactions. Incoming invoices or credit memos. Incoming invoices or credit memos. Maintain terms of payment. Maintain terms of payment. You can see here OBB 8. OBB 8. Okay. So click on execute button. OBB 8. Click on execute button. Okay. Next, press new entries. So default it is there, but we can create our own new entries. I'll give it as in U001. Payable immediately. U001. Our company is Ultra, right? Ultra. Payable immediately. Due. Unit. Okay. This is applicable for vendor and customer. Okay. Default baseline date. No, document date is a baseline date. Document date is the baseline date. Okay. Just give you a company code payment terms. I'm giving it as per my company code payment terms U001. So what do you mean by 001? Immediate payment terms. Just write it down. Write it on this.
So now in U001, we are giving it manually from our
U is nothing but our company.
company.
Yes. We are giving manually.
Okay. 001 is immediate. Also, we are taking it as immediate 001. Or by default, it will be there.
I didn't get you.
001 by default, it will be there as per the SAP standards, or we are giving it as immediate.
It's a standard, right? 001.
Just asking, it will be there as a
Even I'm just saying it's a 001, 30, 030, 045, 090, 060.
Yes, all these payments are by default, it will
By
be set up.
default.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So we are just giving as per the our company specific.
Correct.
Naveen, do you have any standard payment terms in SAP?
Just now we saw, right? Standard
So
in the
what
sense
are
the
they?
client will have a different standard payment terms as per agreement between customer and supplier.
Okay.
That we need to create here. Is that clear?
Yes, Naveen.
If you clear it, let me click on save button. Ours is Ultra, right? On request. Ultra. So next one. Go back. New entries. So I'll create 30. U030. Ultra payables within 30 days. Within 30 days. Within 30 days. Next one, document date is the baseline date. And number of days, here 30. Write down this. So here this will be updated. Ultra payables within 30 days. Any questions still here?
Got
See,
it.
this, sorry?
So document date is a baseline date. If client requested also, we can change it to posting date as per the client requirement.
See, client never requests for posting date.
Mhm.
Because, for example, you received an invoice on, for example, 15th of March. 15th of March. And invoice date is also 15th of March. So
Yes.
with your negligency or with our negligency or with some or the other reason, we have not posted till 3rd of April. So 30 days in the sense, if I take posting date as my baseline date, then it will be calculated 30 days from today, where vendor is going to has to bear the loss. Hope you got my point.
Yes, I got that point. So apart from that, no default. What is that mean by no default?
I'll explain that.
Okay, I got this
It's
point.
no default in the sense any date it will be 30 days.
Okay. And
Yes.
also bank key, payment method, reconciliation entries,
I didn't get you. What does it mean?
and also there are other fields, block key.
Block
Payment.
key. If you don't want to pay this payment term, then you will call it as a block. If any specific payment method you want to use, either check or cash or wire transfer, that you need to mention here.
Okay.
Fixed day, that I'll explain. Fixed day. Clear this? This is normal, simple, right? That's the reason I'm not explaining. Block key. What do you mean by block key?
Blocking up this payment terms.
Yeah, we are not going to use anymore this payment method. What do you mean by payment method?
Yeah, check payment, wire payment.
Then
okay, fine. And installment payment, reconciliation entries.
that I'll explain. We have installment payment method. I'll explain that.
Okay.
You are in rush, but I am not in rush.
No, I'm just.
I'm telling you once again. I'm telling you, I'm not in rush. I'll cover everything.
Okay, no problem. Yeah. Sorry.
Click on new payment address. U60. $60 days. $60 days. Same no document date. Number of days. 60. Just write it down. This fixed date, I'll explain everything. Any questions here? Normally, people will show only 2 dates, payment immediately, and 30 days. That's it. They will wind it up and they'll start the practice part. And next one, 90 days. So just save it. Press back button. Press new entries. $90 days. $90. $90. Document date. $90. So we have created immediate 30, 60, and 90. So click on save button. Click on save button. Just write it down.
Done.
Okay. Next one. Press back button. New interest. what I would like to create, discount payment terms. Okay, discount payment terms. I'll create it as an UDS1, ultra discount payment terms. Ultra. Okay, within 30 days, for example, 2% discount. Within 20, I'm creating it as within 20 days. If payment is received, we are going to pay, we are going to receive 20 days discount. Okay, if it is, or I'll make this as a 2%, 10 days. 1%, 1%, 20 days. No discount if we receive on 30 days. No discount, 30 days. Or else I can write like this for your understanding. $10 days, 20%. Sorry, 2%. 2%. Okay. 20 days, 1% discount. Okay, 30 days. Actual due date is 30 days. Due. Okay, and document date 2%, 10 days, 1%, 20 days, and no discount if you are paying on 30 days or we are receiving on 30 days. Understood? See, if we are receiving, normally we are supposed to pay or we are supposed to receive as per the invoice 30 days. But what vendor has said is, if you are paying within 10 days, then you are going to get 22% on invoice discount on invoice amount. If you are paying 20 days, then you will get 1%. If you are paying on 30 days, then you are not going to get any discount. Understood? Any questions?
Got it.
How about others?
Understood.
It is called discount payment terms for vendor and customers. Vendor and customers. So just write it down as it is or put a heading as a discount payment terms for vendor and customers.
You mean where? I mean another topic or?
This is a topic. What is this?
Define payment terms, maintain payment terms.
Sorry,
Define payment terms or maintain terms of payment.
what kind of payment term is this?
Vendor and customer.
What kind of payment term is this? So we saw immediate payment term. We
Yeah,
saw 30
discount.
days payment
Discount.
term. Let me finish. 60 and 90. And
Yes.
after that, there is one more payment term which we have discount payment term.
Yes, discount.
So have you ever done discount payment terms in your real time as an end user?
Sometimes there will be a note on the invoice copy. If you pay, then we will get
So
a
how
discount.
you are going to select your payment terms?
So while posting, we will select the payment term.
So how you are going to get those payment terms for where you are going to get them?
While posting, Naveen, if you are
While
following,
posting, how you will get that those payment terms, 30 days, 40 days, or 10 days, or whatever it is. How
You
you
have to
will-
create those payment terms.
Here we are doing that, the configuration. So you will
Once
get
we-
in end user screen.
yes, yes,
Then why you asked it's a different topic?
No. I thought you went to some other screen.
So I said this particular payment term, we are going to call it as a discount payment term for vendor and as well as customer.
Yes, got it.
Okay, next one. We will do one more payment term, fixed day payment term. Fixed day payment term. Write it down. Click on save button. Click on save button. New entries. So I'll create it as an UFD1. It's the same payment terms topic only. Okay, so fixed day payment term. Okay, so here I'll draw 15 fixed day payment term. Okay, fixed day 15, additional month 1. Okay, 30 days. Just write down this, I'll explain. Just write it down.
Done.
Okay, what do you mean by fixed day here? Fixed 15th fixed day means whatever may be the date you receive an invoice. Okay, then it will start calculating some fixed day every month. We mentioned it as a 15th. From there, we need to calculate 30 days. Every month, you received invoice on 10th. Invoice date is on 10th, but you want to start calculation 30 days, not from invoice date. You need to calculate from 15th of that particular month. 15th of that particular month, 30 days. For example, if you received invoice on 25th, then what it will do, it will start calculating next month, 15th onwards. Clear, everyone?
Got it.
Yes.
So,
Right. Yes, please.
so if we receive the invoice on 16th, then it will be the delay for the customer supplier from the next month. So if we have received the invoice, a document date is 16th. Okay, and received on 16th. Okay, so the payment terms will be calculated from the next month of 15th day.
Correct. Exactly.
So, but it will be the delay for the supplier.
See, that is an agreement. If they are okay, then we will give this payment term.
Okay.
Here, it's not mandatory that supplier will agree or we will agree.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
If they agree with this, then we will select this payment term. But we are going to define as a consultant.
Okay.
Clear? Any questions? So, for example, if I take (26) 1/2023 is an invoice date. And we are following 15th fixed date. 26th means which is after 15th of January, correct? So if it is 14th of January, then it would have calculated. I'll take two examples. 14th Jan. Okay, then fixed date is 15th. Fixed date is 15th. Then what would be the payment term here? Baseline date. Baseline date would be, okay, here it is 15th Jan 23 plus 30 days. Here, because it's before 15, so from there 15th January onwards 30 days. But in case you have received invoice date is 18th (2023), fixed date is same 15th. Okay, now the baseline date would be, what would be the baseline date? What would be the baseline date?
15th.
15th of what? I know 15th, but 15th of what?
15th of January.
What is the date here?
18th. Yeah. 15th,
15th
15th
of
of February.
15th of February.
February.
So from that particular date, 30 days. Clear? Plus 1 month. Baseline date plus 1 month. So here that's the reason I mentioned the same thing. Fixed day plus 1 additional month. Clear, everyone? Any questions on this?
Can you please go to that document?
Sorry.
Document. We will write it.
Hello, Naveen.
Yes, please.
So example, we received the invoice on 10th of January,
Okay.
and due to some issue, it not got posted, like because of any, like they don't have the sufficient information on the invoice or anything, and it got posted like on 20th of
So
January.
the due date would be next month only. You need to take
Correct.
15th of February.
So it will calculate from February 15th, right?
Correct.
15 plus 30 days.
Correct.
Okay.
Because it's a insufficient information, right?
Correct. Correct.
So that is from supplier only or customer.
Okay.
Yeah. Done. Is it done?
Got it. Got it. Done.
Done.
So click on save button. So here also 15 plus 1, 30 days. Data was saved. Okay, one more. Go back. Oh, sorry. Day limit. One more we have. What I have real-time phase, that those are I'm mentioning here. UD L1. Okay. Ultra. 10th day. I'm taking any day. Limit patterns. I'll explain this. Document date. So here day limit 10th. 30 days. Write down. Once you're done, let me know. Okay, understood. What does it mean? So this particular payment term is nothing but 10th day. Means every month, 10th day, whatever it is, we need to pay it. So normally for utilities, your electricity bills, your telephone bills, your mobile bills, so there would be a specific date. So on that particular day, we need to make the payment. So that is nothing but day limit payment term. Understood? Hello?
Yes, yes. Irrespective of
Yes, yes.
whatever, whenever, irrespective of whenever the invoice came, it should pay on 10th.
Yes, we need to pay as per the due date. Okay, next click on new entries. So now we will see installment. Ultra installment payment terms. Ultra 40% discount installment we are going to do within 30 days. It's not discount. 35% we are going to do within 60 days. And 25% of the amount we are going to pay in 90 days. This is called installment payments. Customer vendor. So here we need to select installment payments. So write down. Any questions on this?
No.
Okay.
So no need to give the day limit.
Sorry, why day limit?
Okay, day limit is applicable for the 10 days.
10th day fixed, right, for utilities? Yes, no.
Yes, 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 got it.
You will ask question and after the after explanation you won't answer.
No. I answered, but slowly. Okay, fine, got it.
So any questions you asked, right? Everything covered, whatever you expected.
Yes, yes.
Okay. And we have one more step for this installment payment method. So write down that also.
Sorry, one question. So is it not required to give the number of days because we are paying on 30 days?
Yeah, right. We are mentioning right 40%
Yes.
within 30 days.
Yeah, we
30 days, 35 days.
Yes, yes. Under the number of days, 30
Yeah.
days, 60 days, 90 days,
Where?
under installment payment.
Not required, right?
Okay, how the system will understand then?
You see, I'm doing, as I said, that one more configuration step we need to do for installment payment terms.
Okay, okay. Okay.
SAP S4 SAP. So we need to do one more configuration. So here, define terms of payments for installment payments. Okay. So write down the path here. Under installment payment terms only. So write down path, define installment payment terms. So here, path SPRO, SAP reference IMG, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting new, Financial accounting new. Accounts receivables and accounts payable. Business transactions. Business transactions. Define terms of payments for installment payments. Transaction code OBB9. You remember? Someone asked what is OBB9?
Yes, sir. Really.
That is for installment payments.
Installment payment.
Okay, we are going to define whatever questions you asked, like days. Okay.
Why can't we define this installment payment in there only? We had tick mark that, right? Installment payment.
But we don't have that option here, right? That's the reason I have not closed this. This is for discount. See, do we have any other third or fourth installment?
Discount. Okay, got it. No, we don't have any. But this
That's
freeze
what-
only 192 we have.
That's it. Okay, click on define terms of payment for installment payments. Okay, so here. So press new entries. Press new entries. Okay. What is the terms of payment we have defined here? So here we need to save that, right? We need to first save this. We will save this. Okay. Here we will give terms of payment. UI P1. First installment. Okay. 40 days. Sorry, 40%. So we have already defined payment terms. Whether you remember or not, 30 days. U030. Next one. UIP1. Second installment. 35%. 60 days. You can search, you will find it. UIP1. Third installment, like any number of installment, you can do it. Right here, I'm restricted to 3 installments only. So U090. Sorry, UI P1. Why it is joking? Yeah, understood, Rashekar, whatever question you asked.
Got it. Thank you.
So done. So click on save button. So we have done discount payment terms, fixed day payment terms, right? So with this payment terms, we have completed all different sort of payment terms, which in real time, whatever payment terms you are going to get it. Okay.
Got it.
Right. Next one, put a heading as an automatic account assignment model for AP model. Write down automatic assignment for AP module. You can write the first one, define accounts for cash discounts taken. You can write the path. You can write the path. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting new, accounts receivables and accounts payables, business transactions, outgoing payments. So first we are going to do AP and next we'll do AR. Outgoing payments, global settings. Define accounts for cash discount taken. Transaction code OBXU. Transaction code OBXU. Once you are done, let me know. Let me know once you're done.
Done.
Okay. So we'll go with the practical part. Okay, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting new, accounts receivable and accounts payable, business transactions, outgoing payments, outgoing payments, outgoing payments global settings, outgoing payments global settings, define accounts for cash discount taken, transaction code OBXU, OBXU. OBXU. Okay, so here OBXU. So you need to give your chart of accounts, UOCA, give chart of write out, give chart of accounts, give chart of accounts. So nothing, we won't do here anything, just write it down. Chart of accounts USA, transaction, cash discount received, SKE. So by default, we are not going to do any changes in this. So we are assigning a chart of accounts. Next one. Click on save button. Click on save button. So here account assignments will be populated. So here just search for your
Click on.
201.
We need to click on.
Search
Where we
button.
need to
Search button.
Okay.
Here, search button, press enter. Put the cursor here. What is my account number? 320040. Discount taken. Okay, it's nothing but discount received. 320040. 320040. Clear? Yes, no?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Click on save button. Transport request. Write on 320040. Discount received or discount taken. Discount received or discount taken. Next step. define accounts for lost cash discount. Define accounts for lost cash discount, nothing but discount allowed. Within within bracket, you can write it as a discount allowed. Path, you know that it's the same, right? And transaction code is OBXV. Transaction code is OBXV. Path, same as above, till okay, outgoing payments, global settings. And from there, you need to select define accounts for lost cash discount. It's nothing but discount allowed. We are giving a discount. So transaction code OBXV. Which series it will start? Discount allowed account?
4 series.
Yes. Discount allowed. So again, it will ask same thing. UOCA. Say okay. Say okay. Next one, click on save button. Click on save button. Now it will ask. So here you can give search company code. Put the cursor here. So your discount allowed account. 440040. 440040. Okay. 440040. So click on save button.
Oh, this is the GL account we created, right, Navin?
Already we have created, right?
Yes, yes. Okay.
From there, we are
Just
configuring to your these accounts.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Next one. Next one. Define accounts for overpayments or underpayments. Define accounts for overpayments or underpayments. Define accounts for overpayments or underpayments. Path same as above. Path same as above. Till outgoing payments global settings. From there, select define accounts for overpayment or underpayments. OBXL. Transaction code OBXL. Overpayments / underpayments. Transaction code OBXL. Okay. So again, same thing. It will ask for chart of accounts. Chart of accounts. So payment difference account we need to select here. Press enter, save button. Payment difference account. What is that we have created? If I'm not wrong, 4450. 44 lakhs 50. 44 lakhs 50. Yeah. Payment difference account. Select 44 lakhs 50. So write it down. 44 lakhs 50. So click on save button. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So click on OK button. Okay. Next. Next one. Define accounts for exchange rate difference. Next step. Define accounts for exchange rate difference. Path same as above. Path same as above. Okay. Till outgoing payments. Define accounts for exchange rate difference. 09ZA. 09ZA. Transaction code. Okay. Chart of accounts. UOCA. Chart of accounts. UOCA. Okay.
Is it
UOCA.
09ZL?
Okay, we need to maintain here New entries. Actually, I think we have not created this GL account because of this one 100 currency INR currency type. One second, let me finish this first of all. Loss and gain account. So here first I'll give 1,50,000. 1,50,000. Currency type 10. Okay, so I need to create. I think I have not created this one. What we call the loss and gain account because of refresh activity, every ledger account we have created, right? 4430 we don't have. See here. We don't have this. If I say this, it will show not created. See, has not been created. Okay. So what we will do is we'll stop here because I need to create these GL accounts. Okay. Already, I think that's the reason I asked if somebody has practiced. So give me your ID so that I can continue with this. But the problem is none was given their IDs, whoever practiced till the complete GL part. So what I'll do is, because of refreshed, my complete server got refreshed. So I need to, most of the things I have covered, but this loss and gain accounts, I have not created GL accounts. So I'll do it again and we will continue with the next week session. Any questions here? So till here, just remember that we need to complete define accounts for exchange rate difference. Any questions here? Till here.
No from my end. No from my end.
How about others?
Yeah, fine.
Fine, right? So we will complete this particular part. Actually, if it is there, then we would have completed this. So here we are doing at this particular moment, we are here. Exchange rate differences. So once we are done with this, so same AP module, AR module, we need to do this. We need to complete. Okay. So once rounding of automatic AR module. So here, next week, we are going to start with creation of vendor masters. Is that fine?
Yes, fine.
Once the above topics completed.
Yes. Before that, you want me to complete? I'll complete this.
No. Just I'm asking.
That's what. How can you ask this question? Without covering this, how can I cover that? Yes
Okay.
or no?
Fine.
Or else what I'll do this week, I'll configure everything. And I'll straight away, I'll start with this particular part. If you're okay.
No, we'll go step by step.
No, that's the reason, right? Without doing above configurations, how can I come to these postings, vendor creations?
No. Fine.
No, sometimes the questions I don't understand whether I am taking it wrong or you are asking wrong.
It's not.
No, without the same thing I said, after this, we are going to cover this particular points. And you are asking same question again that after completion of this configuration, we will do this.
Yes. Fine. Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, thank you. See you next week session. Any other questions from others?
No, Naveen, thank you.
Thank you.